open Tuesdays through Fridays, 10 to 6. The 2023 CVO Road Glide, they have it. They have it in stock at Emerald Coast Harley. Coast Harley has a 2023 Street Glide CVO. They got both. Road Glide, Street Glide. They got another huge inventory as well. Look at this. Look at all these new bikes. That color. Jesse, you should come down here and swap it. Inventory, Emerald Coast Harley. And then outside is all their used bikes. Sent down interest rates as low as 3.99. Oh.
This is Florida Harley right here.
Yeah.
Florida Harley.
And Pizza Sales coming back.
Let's do that today.
Coming back.
Let's do it.
Oh, Road Glide.